Have you ever modeled walls and floors in Revit only to realize your building still doesn't look complete? That's because it needs a ceiling. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create ceilings in Revit from scratch. I will also show you how to edit boundaries, adjust their height, assign materials, and fix common mistakes beginners often make. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently add ceilings to any room in your project. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult, your home for Revit and AI tutorials. Step 1. Open the plan. Head over to the project browser. Open the ceiling floor plan. Let's begin by opening the floor plan where you want to create the ceiling. Since ceilings are associated with rooms, make sure your walls are already in place and the room is properly enclosed before creating the ceiling. Step 2. Start the ceiling tool. Click on Architecture. Click on Ceiling. This tool allows you to create ceilings using different methods depending on your project requirements. For this project, we'll use the automatic ceiling because it's faster and more accurate. Step 3. Select a ceiling type. Before placing the ceiling, choose the ceiling type from the property palette. Click on this arrow. We have the generic ceiling. We have the 600 by 600 millimeters grid. We have the plane. Don't worry too much about the material for now. You can always change it later. Step 4. Create the ceiling using automatic ceiling. Simply click inside the enclosed room. We have this red boundary line here that covers the enclosed space. Click on it. Click here too. Click on all of them. This is the fastest method and it works well for most standard rooms. If your rooms isn't enclosed properly, Revit won't be able to generate the ceiling. In that case, check that your walls are fully connected. Step 5. Create a sketch ceiling. Sometimes you will need a ceiling with a custom shape. Instead of clicking inside the room, choose Sketch Ceiling. Let me delete this. Head over to the ceiling plan. Click on Ceiling. Then click on Sketch Ceiling. Now use the drawing tool like the rectangle or any shape of your choice. Let me use the line. Pick walls to create your own boundaries. Once the boundary is complete, click on the green check mark to finish the sketch. This method gives you complete control over the ceiling shape. Step 6. Adjust the ceiling height. Select the ceiling and look at the property palette. Here is the height offset. We have 2700 millimeters. Increasing the value raises the ceiling, while decreasing it lowers the ceiling. This allows you to match the ceiling height to your architectural design without recreating the ceiling. Step 7. Check the ceiling material. If you like a different finish material, select the ceiling. Click on Edit Type. Click here. You can right-click it, duplicate, click on the Asset Browser. Now choose any material of your choice. Let me use the gypsum board. Click OK. Click OK. Using realistic materials also improves the appearance of your rendered views. Step 8. Edit the ceiling boundary. Do you want to change the shape of the ceiling later? Now select the ceiling. Click on Edit Boundary. Head over to the floor plan. You can use any of these tools and add or remove sketch lines to resize or reshape the ceiling. When you are done, click here to finish. Now let's list the common ceiling problems and solutions. If the ceiling isn't visible, first check the height offset. It may be placed too high or too low. Confirm the height offset. Also verify that the ceiling category isn't being hidden in the current view. Revit won't create the ceiling. This usually happens because the room isn't fully enclosed. Check for small gaps between walls or disconnected walls corners. Once the room forms a closed boundary, Revit will generate the ceiling successfully. You can't select the ceiling. If you are having trouble selecting the ceiling, press the Tab key until Revit highlights it, then click to select it. Creating ceilings in Revit is much easier once you understand the available methods. Mastering these tools will help you build cleaner and more professional architectural models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Noble Architects Consult for more practical tutorials, BIM workflows, and productivity tips. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create a modern POP ceiling in Revit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.